Today we are going to make kathal ki sabji or jackfruit vegetable. So we'll keep the wok on high heat, add oil for frying the kathal. So once the oil is hot, it is hot now, we'll add a few pieces of kathal and fry them lightly till they're just light brown. We'll not fry them completely, otherwise they'll become too dry. So once the first batch is done, we'll remove it to a plate, and in this way we'll fry all the kathal or the jackfruit pieces. All the jackfruit has been fried. We'll keep it aside, remove the oil, and then add fresh oil in the kadhai, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And once the oil gets hot, we'll keep the heat on high right now. So once the oil is hot, we'll add in the chopped onions. We'll saute the onions for about 5 to 7 minutes and add in the garlic paste or the cream. The garlic has been added. We'll roast the garlic for a few minutes till it is roasted brown. Keep stirring continuously as the gas is on high. The garlic is roasted. We'll add the tomato puree now. Stir the tomato puree a few times and then reduce the gas to low or sim and add in the spices. So in goes the salt, the turmeric or haldi powder, the red chilli powder, coriander powder, and the garam masala. We stir the spices thoroughly, add in the jackfruit and stir well again, and then cover with a lid. The gas is on low. We will check back after about 5 minutes. We lift the lid, stir the vegetable, and it's too early for the vegetable to get cooked, so we'll just give it a good stir and cover it back with a lid. No, not yet, although it has been slightly cooked when we fried it, but still it's too early for the spices to really soak into the vegetable. So we'll cover it with the lid and check back again after 5 minutes. We will repeat this process every 4 to 5 minutes. Stir the vegetable first and then check on it till it is done. So finally our vegetable is ready. Kathal ki sabji or jackfruit vegetable. We'll put off the gas and transfer it to a bowl. Do try this, give us your feedback. Please share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.